Hello Galaxy Station viewers, time for a premium power bank review. This time I have Qpow Pro digital display power bank from Baseus, which is capable of 22.5 watt of power output. Here is the writing in the back of the power bank. This power bank has 3 output and 2 input. This is intake box. Let's unbox it first. Okay, I am cutting the security sticker, opening the package. Okay, this is it. This power bank has a built-in Type-C cable. Okay, at first there are some manuals. This is warranty card from Baseus, and this is the user manual with all the functionalities, specification and safety tips for the user. Now time to unbox the real power bank. Wow, this is nice. This is glossy black. The color and finishing is awesome. This is the built-in Type-C cable, which is the main specialty of the power bank. Here is a power button, and these are again the model number and written specification. Here at the top there are 3 ports. Okay, I am checking the Type-C cable first. This seems very good quality. At left there is Apple Lightning input, at the middle Type-C input output, and at the right USB-A QC fast charging output. There are 2 input and 2 output here, and Type-C cable is another out. The power button. If you click the power button once, it will show you the remaining charge. Now I will test the power bank's output first. Oh, sorry, I need to use my USB digital tester for every type of test. You can buy this USB digital tester from the product link written in the video description. At first I will test the USB-C output with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung S21 Ultra can receive 25 watt electricity, but this power bank can output 22.5 watt of electricity via Type-C, and at this moment I am having almost 19 watt of current, which is not bad considering the current battery situation of my phone. Then I have Samsung Galaxy S8 active. At the same time I am connecting it with my power bank. Yes, this is charging. Both the devices are now being charged via the power bank. Okay, now I am going to connect only the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is normal charging. No fast charging yet. This is normal cable charging. Maybe I reconnect the cable again. Charging. There is no fast charging. This Type-C cable, as written in the description, should support Samsung 15 watt adaptive fast charging, but at this moment which I can't get. What's the problem? Why the default Type-C cable for which you will buy this power bank is not fast charging my phone? Let's test the cable with my Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is also capable of having fast charging, but it is not. I don't understand. What's the problem? Okay, so the built-in Type-C cable doesn't support Samsung fast charging. Time to check the USB output. It should support Samsung adaptive fast charging. I am connecting my Ugreen cable. It is saying normal charging. Let's flip the cable. Sometimes it might be the issue. Okay. Yes, now I am having fast charging. So, built-in USB cable can fast charge my Samsung phone, but the built-in Type-C cable is not. Let's try again. Charging. Both the devices are now normal charging, which I can't complain because this power bank can only fast charge one device at a time. Now time to test the next segment of my testing. I will test if this power bank can supply current to 3 devices at a time. Let's start. I will use my Samsung Galaxy M01 core for the testing, which is connected via the USB cable. Other 2 devices are being charged. Okay, third devices is now being connected. Yes, charging. All 3 devices are now charging at the same time, which is great for a 10,000 mAh power bank. My Samsung Galaxy S8 is charging via Type-C to Type-C cable. My Galaxy S21 Ultra is charging via built-in Type-C cable, and my M01 core at the background is being charged via USB-A output. So I am satisfied about charging speed and multi-device charging, but the default built-in Type-C output cable of this power bank can't fast charge my Samsung phones, which is very disappointing for me. Okay, now time to check the input capacity of this power bank. For this test, I will use a 33 watt Qpow dual USB output charger. At first, I am going to check the USB output. Qpow charger's USB port can out 30 watt max, and at first I will check with the lightning cable. As per specification, I will see iPhone input of 18 watt via this cable, but I am not seeing that. This is only around 10 watt of power input. Something is not right. As per description, I should have 9 volt type electricity output. So another fail from Baseus via the lightning cable. I can't charge this Baseus power bank faster with a lightning cable. Now time to check Type-C to Type-C. This charger can give me up to 33 watt of Type-C to Type-C output. Okay, this is not bad. This is fast charging. This is according to the protocol. I am having around 20 watt of input. As my power bank has over 70% charge, so I can't complain in this specs. This is according to the writing. But I can't say that I am overall satisfied with this power bank, because I only bought this power bank for its built-in Type-C output and for my Samsung phone, which this power bank can't provide me. Sorry, Baseus, I am sorry.